We work hard to give our customers the very best, so when they share how happy they are with us, we love sharing that news with the world. One of our customers loved our customer service so much that they left this review online. It's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.